Welcome viewers, your Aditi is again with you to present the episode number 56 of Samaroh Boutique. This time I am with a very exclusive and colorful and hand embroidered different kinds of cotton sarees. Let's start. I am starting with this Jamdani kind of simple Jamdani, not very exclusive one. Very nice color, the beige color and pink in the pallu. I am showing you the pallu, then you can see. Just a minute. Pallu has the weaved birds, and that bird has been patched with patchwork all over sarees has been made. This is the pallu and these are the patchworks, and this is the blouse piece with this motif, and this motif I have given for the back only, not for the sleeves, just to be make it little different. $5950. Very good quality of cotton it is. This is also another Jamdani kind of things. Means Jamdani is this, simple Jamdani with patchworks. The pallu has the motif of peacock, very nice, nicely done, nicely weaved, and this is the blouse piece, the contrast one, red. And the price is $4950. Here the pallu is same kind, Jamdani kind. The pallu is with Jamdani and the rest is plain. On that we have done the patchwork. Beautiful colorful pallu, and matching with that the patches has been done, and this is a blouse piece. $4950. The patches has been given for the blouse piece, and you make use for blouse, and if not, if you don't cut it, then you will get a longer sari with more pleats, and this is a katha stitch patches throughout katha stitch, and same katha stitched blouse all over worked. 3950. Yes, 3950. Same kind another piece with red patches, throughout worked patches, all are hand embroidered. This is the pallu and the blouse piece will be this one. The embroidery on blouse piece and the patches are same. Price also same, 3950. Now it is on colors. Yellow and red, these sarees are with blouse piece. The length is much more. These are 6.5 meters, but I have not used that portion as blouse piece, as I am providing another contrast blouse piece with it. This is the pallu. Just see how gorgeous it is. And this is the blouse piece. Here the patches and the blouse piece are not of same worked, means a katha stitch, but the motifs are not same, different motifs. 3950. Now it is black and red. Same way, the very lengthy sari, 6.5 meter, because it is useless to cut that portion, as means with the sari I am providing contrast blouse piece, so no need to cut that portion. Wear comfortably, wear very nicely. This is the pallu. Wonderful sarees, and this is the blouse piece. 3950. Very good quality of cotton, Bengal cotton. Here it is, half and half. Again that thing, but no need of cut it. Don't cut that portion. If you want, you may cut it, but I will request you not to cut. Meaningless. Because very nice blouse piece is there with it. This is it is half and half. I have shown you previously also many colors, and this is a blouse piece for the sleeves. This motif you will get. Just a minute. It is 4550. Beautiful combination. For this half sari, the single color has been used for thread. This is the sari, and this is the blouse piece. 4550. Now patchworks on Kesh cotton, soft cotton. It is the blouse piece, and patches with kantha stitch. All these fish and these borders all are with kantha stitch. The applique has been done with machine, but the work, this thread work, needle works are by hand. This is the pallu. $3950. All I have 4 colors, 4 pieces of this kind, and each one is vibrant. This is the blouse piece. If you want, you may wear the contrast blouse also. That will also look very nice. Just use the borders for your blouse, and again I will request, don't cut the full thing. Contrast has its own magic. This is the blouse piece, pallu. Blouse has given the same colored with 3 borders. Price is same, $3950. Very nice green. Blouse with a red border. Previously I told 3 borders, not 3 borders, 2 borders for 2 sleeves. Just see how nice it is looking. Green and red always very nice. Yeah, this is a pallu. That is why nature has made the trees green and with red flowers. It is so nice. Here the green is different than the previous one. The blouse, it is parrot green. Here it is not fishy. Here the tree, I think, yeah, tree with flowers and deer also, I think. Price is same, $3950. Now it is, I am starting with kantha stitch. At first I am showing the cotton tussar, means it is mixed one thread with weaving has been done like this. It is blended with tussar and cotton. Very nice material, very comfortable, and the color is also very nice. You just see the, I am showing you the work portion. Yeah, this is the pallu. These all are hand worked. Everything is thoroughly worked. It is looking like patch, but everything is single, nothing else. Everything is hand worked. And the texture of the sari is also very nice. 8550. Wonderful sari. The softness. This is the border has given for the blouse piece, but you can attach this portion with the on the contrast blouse. Blouse is not here. Light pink, baby pink, and on that different shades of pink and green. You just see the how nice is the sari, and with that latkans, with that colorful, it made the sari more colorful. Eight 8550. It is little darker than the previous color. Here also there is no blouse piece. This border you use for to patch on the blouse. Take any colored, just see the colors, make the contrast blouse piece. So with that border, attaching that border. This is a blouse pallu. Eight 8550. The work is on silk. It is means it is little difficult to make the silk sarees, to sew it, to embroider it, and on the cotton silk it is more comfortable. That is why the embroidery is looking so nice, so intricate. It has come out very nicely, and it is our very new venture to put these things on the cotton type of things. This is a pallu, pink and red. Price is same, 8550. This is the blouse piece. You may cut it or don't cut it. This border you use for this decor your blouse, and it is half and half. You see the intricacy of the work. Yeah, can you imagine? These are all handwork. Wonderful. This is the pallu. It is half and half. Eight, 9, 5, 0. Same motif I have shown you 2-3 episodes before on silk tussar. This time it is on on cotton or cotton silk. On off-white, it is looking so nice, so elegant, so classy. You see the colors. This is so soothing. Yeah, this is a pallu. The whole sari. I didn't notice today's outfit is matching with the saris, with these pink borders. This is the last piece in, this is a blouse piece, this cotton tussar. This is the last one. After this, the khadi cotton. There the works are, oh, so nice. Thousands of small buttas throughout the body, small buttas, and the pallu, just to see the pallu. These sarees are not any less than the silk kanthas. This is a class of its own. These are khadi. All are hand woven. This is a blouse piece. Again, if you don't cut the thing, it will be better. Half sari it is. You see the work of the sari. Oh, mind blowing. This is a pallu. Very nice quality of this material, otherwise so much work could not be done. 9550. These are not any less than the silk or tussar. This is the blouse piece or extension of the sari, any way you can use it. This type of sari motifs also I have shown you so many times in silk, and you see the width of the sari. Those who don't like silk or tussar, many people can't carry that thing, means it is some feel that it is slippery, some feel it is warm. For them these are just awesome for them. For them it is a piece of collection. The price is, where is the price? My God, 9550. It is also half and half. Yeah, just see the work. Yeah, this one, ornamental design. Yeah, this is what, and these will be so comfortable as these are cotton. So those who don't like to wear the silk and tussar for the heat or some problem, sweating problem, for them these are most suitable pieces. Wow, it is with, it is not Kantha stitch, it is Gujarati stitch, Sindhi kadai. This is the blouse piece. This portion is for blouse piece. Cut this portion and patch on the, I will suggest red blouse. You just see the density of the, this small buttas, and you may have seen many Gujarati stitch, but I will show you. I will just asking to zoom the portion. Just see the intricacy of the work. It is showing that it is weaved. It is looking like weaved. It is so thickly the buttas has been done, and this is the pallu. Wonderful sari, treat to the eyes. Many people comments like this. Today I can understand, these are really treat to the eyes. I think today's saris, cotton with Kantha, has been redefined. These are class of its own. For cotton lovers, it's a must-have piece for your collection. Waiting for your response. Namaskar.